So again, I'm recording this after the fact, but I wasn't going to do a video, but I did. I had a misfire on cylinder 3 detected on my super duper cheap Amazon scanner, which is that thing, Maxi Scan. Seriously, I think it was like £15–20. That's got me out of a lot of issues with all the absolute crap cars I've been buying recently. What did it do? I bought it. It'd been stood for about 6 months when I bought it. It'd been serviced 2 months prior to that. Apparently, there was a receipt for it, but as you'll see from the upcoming video, I don't think so. So it's done about 3,000 miles since its last service, of which I've done 600 in it. And on startup, when cold, the revs were sort of struggling to idle. The engine was very lumpy. It didn't want to rev up. After about 20 seconds, you'd get the engine management light come on. That would flash for about 15 seconds. That would then clear, and the car would run okay. So when I did a bit of research into that, I'm not a car mechanic. This is all, just have a go. These are really cheap, terrible old cars. I don't really care if I break them or do something wrong. It's a learning curve. Yeah, so I had a look. Everyone said on sort of forums and things like that to check your spark plugs, and that's where I was going with this video, which is what you'll see coming up as to what I found on cylinder 3. Let's go. To remove the cover on these, it's I think it's a T27 bit for these. There's 6 of them. It's in 2 pieces, this one and this one. Take this one first, then that one. That also gives you access to your timing belt. Yeah, I'm recording this after the fact because I have my 2-year-old helping. So I forgot. I wasn't actually going to do a video on this, but that's how you get the cover off, and then you got your spark plugs underneath. Not to teach anyone how to suck eggs, but it's one of them where if you don't know, you don't know, and I didn't know, and I had to research and watch videos and stuff to learn. But spark plugs, these type, they just pull out nice and easy, and then you got your access to your spark plug. Do them one at a time because you don't want to, remove them all and then forget where to go. So do one at a time. Let's get these off. Not room there. And then these just pull out. Then there is a 10mm nut to take off. Cylinder number 3 spark plug. Ew. Yeah. That's what a metal look like. I'll put a picture up of what cylinder 3s look like, but nice and clean. These are what's going in. NGK. Laser platinum. Ooh. I had a lot of grief on the Volvo forums for not using Volvo OEM spark plugs, but surely a spark plug's a spark plug. Decent brand. This plastic conduit stuff is really crumbly and perished. So basically I don't want that falling in there, which is why I've got tissue to keep it out of the way. New spark plug in my spark plug socket. Inch use. And then torque wrench. I'm not cheaping out this time, I've actually got a torque wrench. 25 Newton meters. Apparently, according to Dubuque. There's a remove spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had a P0303 cylinder 3 misfire detected on my generic super duper £15 Amazon scanner. And there's no wonder why. How the oils got passed, I don't know. Seal, obviously, somewhere, but there's a lot of oil sap is this one that's cylinder 3. Lots of oil. I don't know if that's old oil that's been sat there from other things being done, I'm not sure. But new spark plugs, everything's been cleaned up. See how it goes. Okay, so everything's back together. This is the first time starting up since. Good old Volvo click. So I'm going to get my seat on. Okay, there's no code or anything so far. Apart from the squeaky bell, it seems quite happy. I call that a win. The steering wheel's in the position. There's no lights. Good.